Consider this. Every homeowner dreads the moment they face garage door troubles, but what's the best solution? For many in Panama City, Florida, garage door issues begin as minor annoyances, such as annoying noises or sluggish movement. When confronted with escalating problems, homeowners often question whether repair or replacement is the better choice. Repairing a garage door is usually more economical, particularly when damage is limited and the structure remains intact. Assessing the garage door's condition is vital in deciding whether a repair or replacement is appropriate for your situation. While minor issues like broken springs can be repaired, significant damage may warrant a complete replacement instead. Older garage doors often present more frequent issues, especially in Panama City's coastal climate. Dictating replacement might be wiser. If repairs become a constant necessity, investing in a new door may save you time, stress, and money in the long run. Repairing doors typically offers quick fixes and extends the life of your current system without a complete overhaul. Ultimately, consulting a professional not only clarifies your options, but ensures your garage door remains efficient and effective.